Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair. Guys, our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. We're going to show you how to remove and replace the headlight switch on a Dodge Charger or a Dodge Magnum. Stay with us to see how we're going to do that, guys, and don't forget to subscribe for one new video every day. First we need to pull that cover on the side right there. There is, I think, two clips holding in, one on top and one on the bottom. So you need to grab and pull it, okay? And that's where the clips are. You can see them. Now, right here we have one screw with a Phillips screwdriver that you will need to remove. And you need to have the steering wheel all the way extended and in down position. And after that there is another screw which is on the bottom. Okay, it is right there. So there is only two screws holding that panel now that we need to remove first. Okay, just go ahead and remove it with a Phillips screwdriver. And after that, guys, what you need to do, you need to start pulling it. Okay, you come on this side and you grab and you pull. There is a few clips holding it here and there. So you just need to pull. Okay, and right there as well, there is one on the bottom. And now we need to disconnect the wire for the trunk release right here, so you just need to pull that one out. Okay, and that cover is gone now, it's out of the way. After that, what we need to do, we need to remove, there is two more screws right here on the bottom with a Phillips screwdriver, because we need to remove that trim around the instrument cluster. And there is a third one underneath the ignition, which is located right there. As you can see, it's a little bit dark, hopefully you can see. Okay, and what you need to do next, you need to grab it, but be careful not to break it. You need to grab it with your fingers and you need to start pulling. Okay, just like that. You can start it with the screwdriver a little bit if it's too tight, and there is a few clips. Okay, and that air vent, as you can see, ours is broken, so we'll be replacing that one as well. And there is a few more clips there. Okay, and the trim around the key comes out as well, and now you can pull that trim out. Okay, and now we need to remove the wire right here, which there is a red connector that you need to pull to the back and push down. Okay, what you need to do, pull, and then you need to push down and release. Okay, now in order to remove the headlight switch, you need to press down right here on both of these and push it out. Okay, and from the bottom side as well. And that's the headlight switch, guys, right here. Pretty simple. That's the part number if you need it, and that's how you remove it and replace it. You put it back together the same way we took it apart. Thank you, guys. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.